Hey sailors, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy. So I have just finished my day at work and I thought I would bring you along with me for my evening on board so you can see what I get up to after I finish work. So as you can see, I have come to top deck, so I'm going to have a run on the running track and then I'm going to do some yoga. Amazing. I feel like doing yoga at sea is so much more relaxing than doing it on land. It's the sea air, I'm sure. But anyway, now I have done that, I'm gonna go and get some dinner. So I've just got back from exercising and I thought instead of going straight to dinner after I've worked out like an absolute gremlin, I'd come back to my cabin, freshen up and then go and have dinner. Because also me and a few friends are going to meet up later on. The ship are going to open up the dock house, which is one of the bars at the back of the ship. It's amazing, it's so gorgeous, and it just means that we're going to get a chance to meet other crew members that are working on here who are in like different departments, because obviously the social aspect of living and working on a cruise ship is restricted at the moment because of all the COVID precautions that are in place, which is completely understandable. You know, as long as we're following the protocols, so socially distancing, wearing masks, sanitizing, everything like that, then it should be fine, and it's going to be monitored anyway. So yeah, and with the amount of testing that we've all had and the results that we've had back, it's all good news. So it's a really nice evening outside as well, but I've put on a jumper because as the sun sets it's gonna get colder, and because the bar is at the back of the ship, we'll obviously have the sea breeze, so it's gonna drop quite nippy, I imagine. But I absolutely love the running track. I think it's so good because like on most ships you can run around the deck, but there's not usually on some ships there are, but there's not usually like a dedicated running track, so you end up like dodging sunbathers and stuff as you run round and you feel like a bit of a nuisance. So it's really nice that they have a running track on here. And also the lookout, the spot where I did the yoga, I mean, how nice is that? It's just absolutely idyllic. But it really is, you know, nights like tonight where I'm just so happy to be back. I mean, I'm always happy to be back, but like, especially just when you have really nice evenings, really nice weather, and you can do yoga outside because the sun's shining, and have a run, and then, you know, it's not raining, so the outside bar's open and we can mingle with other people from different departments and actually make some friends. It's just what it's just what the whole experience is all about. So yeah, I picked a good evening to bring you along on. So guys, I have just got back to my cabin after having a lovely night. It was such a nice evening. That sunset was incredible. I'm aware that I didn't get anyone in the camera. I'm sure you would like to see them, but I don't think it's fair for me to start filming people unless I have their permission, because not everyone wants to be in a video that's going to go on YouTube. So I'm not going to film anyone unless they've said that, you know, they want to be in it. But as you can see, the evenings are pretty chilled. That's what I have been doing most evenings, minus the bar because that's not open every night, but working out and just having a really chilled time. The atmosphere at the moment is just so wonderful. Everyone is so happy to be here, so happy to be back. I think the pandemic and everyone having to go home and not being able to work on cruise ships for so long has definitely given everyone a new appreciation for it, and especially coming back and things being really quite relaxed, you know, considering there's obviously a lot of precautions in place and a lot of things that we have to learn, but I think because we have quite a while before we get passengers on board, we've got a good amount of time to learn everything and, you know, get everything perfect before we have passengers on board. So it's just It's just so lovely. But anyway, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any video suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comments down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at cruisingascrew. But I will see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day.